Today we are gonna focus on getting a bunch of car parts, and the reason is because we got the V8 and the transmission in the car. Two of the biggest things that need to get done in this project. And we can now get lots of stuff done, but you know that car parts aren't cheap, and there's still lots of parts that I need. But I have actually ordered some parts that should actually be arriving today, so I will show you that. But we gotta go hunting for a bunch of other stuff to see if we can even find what we need and if it's gonna work. I actually can't wait. I mean, we got the V8 in. I'm really excited now. I'm super motivated. So I got a list of parts that I need here. And because I'm not rich, I'm gonna be going over to Fred's shop and I'm gonna see what we can permanently borrow so that I can save some money. Man, there's something about driving my Jeep. It's just so simple and it's so relaxing. Like, I'm going exactly the speed limit and I'm just cruising, man. It's the best feeling in the world. I think it's because I built it from the ground up, and it's just a lot of satisfaction and pride went into this, and it just feels good no matter what the weather. Could I get a medium French vanilla, please? Hi.
French vanilla?
Can I get the order behind me as well?
Absolutely, yes, 2 larges.
Yeah, thank you.
Big day.
You as well. Now we can get on with our day. Fred, what's going on? How you doing?
I'm all right.
Yeah, let's go shopping.
All right, where do you want to go?
Well, let me get that list from my truck, and we'll see what you got. Oh, I'm not in the truck, I'm in the Jeep, forgot. So guys, what are we looking for here? Water pump plug, the Ford 8.8, that's a big one. He says he has a drive shaft, might be able to get it. Thermostat housing, possibly some headers. We're getting that sent to us by one of you guys, thank you. Possibly an alternator, all right.
Get it down.
Okay.
Go in the trailer now. All right, get up there. Don't bend the drive. You don't know how many spline this is, do you?
Yeah, but that won't be the same.
How do you know?
Actually, it might, because T56s came in a Mustang too.
Yeah, that's what I said. Might be all set.
Might have the flange yoke that I need. Might even have the slip yoke that I need too, but we don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna take that home and test fit some stuff. Okay. So Ford 8.8, yep. Thermostat housing.
Gotcha.
Headers?
Headers, yeah.
You have headers?
That's right, we gotta check.
Alternator, something.
So I need all this for my heat.
You don't need that plug.
No.
Okay.
Anyway.
Well, there's the benefits of Fred also having a small block Chevy, because I need a plug in my water pump because I'm not gonna have heat, and Fred's is the opposite, and his water pump came with a plug, so.
There you go.
There it is, water pump plug. We're good.
Hey, open that up.
Hit the switch, fancy switch.
Somebody put that in for me, this guy named Luke.
What's in here?
Alternator.
There's a couple alternators here.
Yeah, but you want the other one.
What?
There's alternator GM right there. Okay, what else?
Thermostat housing.
Thermostat housing on the other side.
All right, next trailer. Oh, I gotta come here shopping more often, eh?
Yeah, oh yeah. I told you. Lots of stuff that I wanted to trailer number 2. Copper, 69 Camaro front end right now. Okay, in the other trailer. So,
What do you mean? You didn't have one in here? I thought we saw them in here.
well, I moved them all because I'm organizing everything, so I put everything together, right?
Gotcha.
I don't.
What's this? Did we already try that?
No, take that with you too.
I might have a slip yoke. Okay. You got tunes in here?
Yeah, this thing don't know break the damn thing. There's some more in there.
There's some right here.
That's a straight one right there. Oh, here we go. This is what I got for you right there. You have to take it and try it.
All right, so now we got an alternator. Got a thermostat housing. Might work. Probably will work, actually. Yes, I'm happy. Thank you. Yeah, I got what I needed from you. Now I'm out of here. All right, Fred. Well, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Guys, do me a favor and hit the like button for Fred. He really does a lot for me, and I appreciate it more than he can ever know. maybe Fred, if you're watching this, you can see how many likes we got on the video, and that's how much I care. So we are home now, guys. I'm actually surprised by the amount of stuff that we got from Fred today. Hey, you're back? Yeah, man, I'm trying to record a video. Okay, well, have you checked your analytics lately? The analytics? Dude, who cares about analytics? Well, you should, because 80% of people watching right now aren't subscribed. Wait, what? 80%? We can't even fix that, can we? Nope, nothing we can do. Well, I guess it's up to you guys. Seriously though, guys, I am doing some of the craziest stuff in this garage. Like, who puts a V8 in a rear-wheel drive Honda Prelude? And honestly, when this car is done, that's just the beginning. I have so many plans. We're gonna be going to all the drifting and drag racing events. I'm gonna be getting tons of reactions, taking this to Cars and Coffee. Plus, I know what you guys are capable of. 90 days ago, we had less than 2,500 subs. I wanna hit 10K, and I know that we can easily do that. Just click the button, it's easy. All right, so let's get through all the easy stuff real quick, just to see what we got, and then we'll move on to the bigger and better stuff. Okay, first thing, real easy, the water pump plug. That goes right back here. And that looks like it threads in. Obviously, we need to put some sealant on that or something or whatever. As long as I know that it works for now, we'll get to it another time. Okay, same area, thermostat housing. That goes right here. Yeah, looks good. So now this one points straight towards the car. It does point up though. I have seen ones that point straight out so it doesn't go up on an angle. That's the only thing that I'm thinking about. I don't think it goes high enough that it's gonna be an issue where it hits the hood. So it's probably gonna work. If not, thermostat housing is not the biggest deal. We can get one. Hello?
Hey, look, a big package just came for you. It says Mishimoto.
Okay, sweet, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Bye-bye. Nice. Yeah. Well, that was good timing. I was gonna start working on the drive shaft and figuring out that slip yoke, but we'll get to that in a second. Now that the rad's here. Oh, baby. I got an air freshener, look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. Well, that looks beautiful. Let me unwrap it, what am I doing? All right, that is beautiful. Now, the main reason that I went with this Mishimoto rad, it's supposed to be a direct fit for the Honda Prelude. It's thicker, it's got additional core, so the stock one was single core. This is a 2-core. Most guys running small blocks use a 3-core, but what I was seeing was most of those rads were about 20 inches wide and the same height as this, but this one's about 6 inches wider. So I'm hoping that it's gonna be good enough. Let's test fit it. Oh, baby. I don't even think I wanna run a front bumper or anything. That's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. So it is a direct fit. I mean, I gotta paint these and clean these up, but whatever, anyway. It's much thicker and the ports should be good. This will go straight into the top here, and then the bottom one will go into the water pump here. It's kind of a tight bend, but I think we got enough space for it. I think the electric fans should just be able to unbolt and bolt right up to the new one. I mean, I would assume so. This is meant for a Prelude and supposed to be direct fit, like I said. I'll worry about that later. Let's focus on the drive shaft. That really sucked. I hope that's the right one. Wow, so much room for activities. Oh, it's so hot still. Okay, well, that's a good sign. I just can't touch it because it's so hot. Okay, well, it's safe to say that that's the right one. At first, I thought it was the wrong one because it didn't go on the transmission easily, but then I realized, well, I mean, Chris came by and realized that the inside of the splines, the inside of that slip yoke was actually like dirty. It had like dirt in it, so I had to take, I actually like took like a pick like this and started scraping all the teeth, and now it fits on there a little bit better, and now it's on there like 1.5 inches, which is obviously not enough. but it's clear that it's the right one. I just need to take that off and give it a real good cleaning. But that should be good. Now the goal today was to be able to measure for a drive shaft as well, but unfortunately the flange yoke on the other end of this drive shaft is not the right one. So I'll have to wait and get the right one, and I'll also have to clean the slip yoke and get that all the way in to get a proper measurement. All in all though, I think today was pretty successful. I almost forgot about our alternator. Now Fred got me this alternator. It looks like it's fine. It sounds good when you spin it. He's got a buddy that does alternators and starters, I believe, as well. And he's just gonna test that out for us just to make sure that it works, because it has been sitting for a very long time. But we're making progress now. This is exciting. I think next week we're gonna start working on the back here, getting all this partition completed and welded up, and then we can worry about the fuel and the battery and get all the fuel lines and electrical run. Until then, I expect you guys to go find all your car friends and anyone who'd be interested in this and send them my way. Make them subscribe. We're gonna hit 10K subs. I know it. We've done crazier things before, so it's not totally out of this world. And if you missed that video when Fred and I put the engine and transmission in, you can click right here and go watch that now.